Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, welcome. My name's Alani and let's just get started. For the decoration hearts, I used 5 different pastel paints, trying to get them as close to the conversation heart candy colors as possible, and the other side I wanted a more modern black and white. After removing the price sticker and the hanging tag, I started painting them. I accidentally pulled one of the hanging tags too hard and pulled a little bit of wood with it, so take your time with this. I then covered the pastel sides of the hearts with painter's tape, really making sure to smooth out the edges so when I paint the other side, it didn't leak through. Here I'm just cutting off some of the excess tape so it doesn't get in the way. I painted 4 of the hearts black and 1 white. I chose to do the pink one white so it could be in the middle on both sides. I changed from using brushes to using sponges because it just made more of a smooth look and it took less time. I used a ruler marking the middle of the heart where I wanted my letters to go. And here I am just double checking that all the letters are an even amount away from the top of the heart. I used the same measurements on the pastel side as I did on the black and white sides. When I was flipping the hearts over to show you guys both sides, some of the red stickers came off and I decided to put some Mod Podge on the edge of all the letters so they would stick on a little bit more and it would give it some of that shadow effect. I used thin white ribbon to hang the hearts. I also think red ribbon would have looked really pretty too. After I folded the first piece, I just made sure to make 4 more the exact same size. To glue the ribbon to the heart, I put the 2 end pieces together and I stuck them in the middle of the heart. I used my X-Acto knife to push down on both sides to make sure it was very secure. These hearts are lightweight enough for a dab of glue to work, but if you want to make it feel more secure to you, you can always use E6000 or Gorilla Glue. These candle vase centerpieces are super easy to make. All you need is the vases and some candles. You can use conversation hearts like I did, or you can use Valentine colored M&Ms or sprinkles. I put half a cup of conversation hearts at the bottom of the vase and put the candle on top of it. These candle vases are very versatile. You can use them all year round, and for the holidays you can use pastel eggs for the bottom for Easter, peppermint candies for Christmas, and candy corns for Halloween. I used the rest of the cup of the candy hearts for the other vase. For the third vase, I wanted to put real flowers, so I used a clear plastic cup to hold the water. I had to trim the cup because the top of the cup was the same width as the vase. I used my X-Acto knife to score the cup, and then I used a pair of scissors to cut it all the way around. After putting the cup in the vase, I put candy hearts all around in between the cup and the vase. I cut the cup too short and wanted more conversation hearts, so I decided to put another cup in the inside, so that's why it looks a little bit taller. I chose a bouquet of pink flowers. You can choose any flowers and any colors you want. These pink carnations are really beautiful. They reminded me of Valentine's Day, and they were less than $5. I then measured a flower next to the vase to see how short or tall I wanted them, and then I cut off the excess stem and used that one stem to measure it against all the other flowers. I put the flowers in the vase one by one, and I removed some of the excess leaves. I printed out some lyrics and a photo on photo paper. You can use regular paper for the lyrics, but I wanted both of the pictures to have the same finish. I used construction paper to make a heart. All I did was fold the construction paper in half and drew half of a heart on the folded section. I then put the heart on the photo to make sure both of our faces were inside the heart itself. I traced the heart on the back of the lyrics, and then I cut that out with my X-Acto knife. I used regular Scotch tape to tape the picture onto the back of the lyrics, and then I trimmed off any of the excess picture just so I wouldn't have any of a darker shadow underneath the lyrics. I taped the entire thing inside of the frame so it wouldn't move around. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you're not already. If you do recreate any of this, please tag me. I would just love to see your guys' recreations of this. And I hope you all have a very happy Valentine's Day, whether it's with a partner, with your pet, with your children, or just some me time. Have a happy Valentine's Day, and I will see you guys next time.